So I have already created my layer with the black color. So now let's create a new layer. Click on this icon, fill it to transparency, and then press OK. And now select the paths tool, and now I'm going to create a path. And now select the paintbrush tool. So here are settings I'm using for size 15, hardness and force 87, spacing 1. Just make sure to enable the dynamics, left click. And in the dynamics, make sure to choose pencil generic. So left click here in dynamics. So here it is, pencil generic. And now let's select the path tab, double click here on the path you created. So I'm going to double click here, so here it is. And then click on stroke path. Make sure your foreground color is white since we want a white line. So in the choose stroke style, just select the paint tool. In the paint tool, select paintbrush and just make sure to emulate brush dynamics and then click on stroke. And now if I select the move tool, so here it is. And now let's go back to the layers tab. And now I'm going to create a layer group. Click on this icon. Place the line here layer, this one here, inside it, just drag it inside. And now I'm going to duplicate the lines layer here. Click on this icon here to duplicate it. And now go to filter, blur, and then Gaussian blur. And now I'm going to increase the blur here of both X and Y since the chain icon here is linked to around 550. Press OK. And now I'm going to duplicate the layer again. Click on this icon. And then left click here on the FX here, the layer effects. And then double click on the Gaussian blur. And this time I'm going to increase the Gaussian blur. I'm going to increase it to this one here, 17.50. Press OK. And now I'm going to create a new transparent layer. Click on this icon, fill it to transparency, and then press OK. And now I'm going to add the color. So I'm going to left click on the background color. I'm going to select this red color, press OK. And then I'm just going to drag the color on the canvas here. So here it is. Here is our colored layer. And now I'm going to change the red layer here color to burn. So here it doesn't change the color of the line, and this is because, so I'm going to close the layer group, select the layer group, this one here, and then here on the mode, change it to pass through. So here it is. So if I open the layer group, you can still, for example, duplicate the layer to increase the glow effect. And now with this layer group, you can still, for example, scale it. So here, for example, press enter. So as you can see, all the layers scaled. Or for example, even rotate like this. Rotate it, press enter. So here it is. And now if you want to change the color, so the first thing we need to do is to go to layer and then crop layers to content. Select the move tool. I'm going to move it down here. And now select the layer group. I'm going to duplicate it. Click on this icon. And then I'm going to move this one here on top like this. And now we need the layers to not overlap. So for example, I'm going to place it here. So as you can see, it's not overlapping the layers under it. So here are the boundaries. Let's open the layer group. Just select the red, the layer with the red color here we used. Go to colors, hue and saturation. And now you'll be able to change the color. So for example, here, I'm going to leave it to this one here, press OK.